Hey everyone, I just wanted to add this on real quickly. I think I thought it over and I'm actually going to cancel the Alien and FNAF weeks because I keep trying to film all the videos, and then I get behind and then I feel like I'm messing up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to release the videos I already have recorded, which I think is 4 out of 14. So that's why I'm like, yeah, I think I need to kind of let them go out into the world because I've been sitting on some of these for months. And I want them to be out there. Sorry, that was really close. I want them to be out there. I don't have the time to really sit down and record them to plan them out for when I was going to have them, which was going to be the last 2 weeks of October. But I have some looks already done. They're going to be coming out as well as some reviews. So get ready. They're going to be fun. And yeah. Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look and part of a new marathon week is Golden Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. This is FNAF week. I personally have never played one of the FNAF games, and I know that's going to come across as a shocker, but I am one of those people where I kept up with the lore and everything, and they're really twisted games, but they seem like a lot of fun. I love the horror genre, and I was actually inspired because Sinister Psycho Chick a few months ago gave me a list of characters, and she listed quite a few from Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm like, ooh, what if I do a Five Nights at Freddy's week? So here we go. This is Golden Freddy, quite literally gold. The original gold I used here, well, you'll see. I'm going to stop rambling so you can get into this video. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my eyebrows and primed and set my lid using Purity from the Bad Habit Athena palette, which I have to say, oh my gosh, this thing is gorgeous. I did have the Desert Dust palette, and that one is honestly to me more gorgeous, but it did not work well for me. So I ordered this through Shop Hush, and I actually was able to get it through for free because Shop Hush has these things called Hush Points, which are daily login bonuses, and every day you get 10 points, and they rack up. And this is a $12 palette, and it took me 1,200 points to order this for free. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be using this today, and I can't wait to see how it performs. I already have Purity on the lid, and it's actually very, very subtle. It looks like my skin. So that's good. I'm gonna be taking the shade right here, Valor, and putting that just above my crease. Okay, I have to say already, I'm really liking how the shadows are performing, even though I only have 2 on the lid. Anyway, the next shadow I'm going to take is Clever. I'm going to buff that just below. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, just going to blend. Okay, now I'm really going to deepen this outer V, and only the outer V. I'm not really going to bring it into the crease until I blend. I'm going to be taking Black Lace by Sephora Collection. By the way, they redid their colorful eyeshadows, so these are the older pans right here. These are the newer ones. These are 2 grams, these are 1.2 grams. These are 10, these are 8. These are incredible, these are great. They're both incredible, so I'm not mad. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, we're just going to blend. Now I'm going to take the shade right here, Wisdom, and pack that on the center third of the eye. Oh my gosh, that looks so creamy. Okay, and this is dry. Now, just because I'm curious, I'm going to take the shade Cunning right here. Ooh, it is doing it. Okay. In that case, I'm going to take the... What it's doing is right here for me, it's showing up pink, but then it turns gold. I don't want that. Instead, I'm going to take the shade Triumph, which is more of a pure gold. I'm going to pop that right on the inner third. I originally was going to use a different gold, but that is really incredible, actually. I'm going to blend it out using my Support Collection number 10 brush, just soften the crease. Yeah, I like it. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put on full face of makeup, and I may or may not do a wing using Black Butterfly by Wet n Wild, and I'll be right back. Okay, now we're back, full face on, Fenty highlighter, trophy wife. I'm not sold on it. I like how blinding it is. That I do like, but dark cast because it's too dark. Anyway, we're gonna move back to the eyes. I'm gonna use the same colors that I did on top, down below. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my Rimmel. This is their Wonder Ombre Liner in the shade Golden Gaze. It's a black and a gold. I'm going to use the black on half the inner half of the lower half of my waterline, and then the gold on the other half. Lash Renegade mascara on the lower lash. Okay, now we can move on to the lips. Okay, to start off with lipstick, I'll be taking the Smashbox Metallic lipstick in the shade XO Velada. Okay, so that's a lot more rose gold than I anticipated. So I'm going to top it with the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to spray my face down with some Kat Von D Lock It Setting Spray. I'm going to let down my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are at the finished look. And I really like how this turned out, actually. Again, that first gold that I used did fade, but I saved it with Girls Night Out. Actually, I probably should have put Trophy Wife there. Oh well. Anyway, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button. And every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. And actually, that's probably the only way now that you can get a notification that someone's released a video. Thank you, YouTube. I love that highlight. Kind of do. I feel like it's too dark for me, but I still love it. I'm conflicted. I'm heavily conflicted. Anyway, yeah. If you like this video, I already said that. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.